Hi there, in this video I will show you how to add a variable product in WooCommerce. Variable product simply means a product that has options like a t-shirt with different sizes or colors. Let's do this step by step. First of all, on the left side, go to product section and click on add new. Here write the product title, then write a long description so customers know what the product is. Now scroll down to the product data. You will see it says simple product by default. Click the drop down and choose variable product. After choosing variable product, you will see two options here. You can set them according to your needs. Next, go to inventory tab. At the top, you will see SKU field. SKU means stock keeping unit. It's basically a short unique code you create for each product. This makes it easier to manage and track products. Then make sure the manage stock box is checked. Here you can add the product quantity. Below that you will see the low stock threshold option. This is very important. Enter a number here so whenever your stock goes below that number, WooCommerce will send you a notification that your stock is running low. Leave the sold individually box unchecked so customers can buy more than one at a time. After that you will see shipping class option. For now we will leave it as it is because we don't need it right now. Click on the Attributes tab. Attributes means features like size or color. For example, in the name box type size, in the value box type small, medium, large. Make sure to tick the box that says use for variations and then click Save Attributes. But I already created attributes for color and size. If you have already created variations, then you don't need to create attributes again. I already explained how to create attributes in my previous video. If you missed it, then link in the description. At the top, you will see a drop down, click on it and you will see the attributes you already created. For example, I created color and size. So when I select it, my color attribute appears below. Now click on select all to add all the color options you created. Do the same for size. After that click save attributes. Once it's saved, go to the variation tab. Here click on generate variations and WooCommerce will create all possible combination of your colors and sizes. Now you can set the price for each variation. For example, if I open green large, I can set the price to $6. You can also tick manage stock and set the quantity for each variation. Do this one by one for all variations. After that, scroll down to add a short description for the product. On the right side, you can add a product image, gallery images, categories and tags just like you do for simple product. Finally click publish. Now let's open the link and check. As you can see, our product has been added in completely professional way. This is how easily you can add a variable product to your WooCommerce website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel.